if a woman is pregnant, they are all at risk, whether it's a first time pregnancy, whether they are young, whether they are old. We should look at them as at increased risk of the bleeding.
Dr. Bashagika, gynecologist ahirware kuri Ryambara Regional Refaro Hospital, yashobora ngo kuva omukazi yamara kuzaara ninga postpartum hemorrhage kimanyisa omukazi kuva munonga eshagamera kwingana milliliters 5 kandi yagira ngo embeera egi kirakubaho munonga kandi omukazi omwe ahari bashatu nibafa ahabo buremeezi obu.
So PPH, postpartum hemorrhage, is bleeding during childbirth, and we talk about this when mother bleeds over 500 mils after the delivery process. And to note is that postpartum hemorrhage is quite a common condition, and every woman who is pregnant is definitely at increased risk of bleeding.
Dr. Bashagika yashobora buremeezi oburi omu kujwa wamara kuzaara kandi omu Uganda obucweka 36 bw'abakazi barabira omu mbeera egy'emyaka eyahwire kandi obucweka 8 abakazi omuri mbarra nibafa habw'embeera egi.
As a country, for the past years, the postpartum hemorrhage or the bleeding accounts for over a third. 1 in 3 patients, or 36% of these women will die because of postpartum hemorrhage. From Barara and the Ankole region, we have noted from the review of data for the past year, and we note that the postpartum hemorrhage will account for almost half. That's about 48% of those who have died due to pregnancy complications.
Dr. najano webukozese biri omu irwariro tibirikumara nahabwekyo shock gametes nza kuyamba abakazi abokubwetaaga kandi yashaba abakazi bagume baza omu irwariro omu bwire okwehara oburemeezi.
That are already in the facilities are supplied by the government of Uganda, but they are not enough. So we think that the few numbers that we've got, the 50 gadgets that we are distributing across the Ankole region, will benefit the end users.
Umuringo ngogumwe Dr. Justin Okelo, manager wa Medical Team International, nashobora ngo muhindo gw'abakufana bazaara guzenu gucendera. Okurugira report y'omwaka gwahwire abakazi kufana bazaara ekaberi 26 abakazi abazireje.
When we know what Uganda as a country achieved in 2024, which is 189 deaths, and even they're leaving the achievement for the Sustainable Development Goal 2030 of 70 deaths. So this is very extraordinary performance. It's a testament of serious commitment.
The process that started and intensified so much this year around March has seen this project succeed. The Rotary Club of Cambridge supported us with money totaling to about £3,500.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Susan ari no mukisa ahabwa Tayari West.